The prepositions. Prepositions show a relationship between the object, a noun or pronoun, and the other words in the sentence. A preposition can have several jobs. A preposition locates an object in time, locates an object in space, or shows a logical relationship. There are compound prepositions and words that can be used as prepositions or adverbs. A preposition is placed at the beginning of a prepositional phrase. Examples are into the car, besides Mary's white car, throughout the entire month. The prepositions in these examples are into, besides, and throughout. A preposition can locate an object in time. Examples are we never talk during lunch. Mom went outside after breakfast. The prepositions in these examples are during and after. Prepositions can locate an object in space. Examples are the sun shone dimly in the cloudy sky. She left her slippers under the stairs. The prepositions in these examples are in and under. Prepositions can show a logical relationship between the object and another word in the sentence. Examples are she had always wanted to sing like Jennifer Hudson. Do you have a liking for apples? The prepositions in these examples are like and for. Compound prepositions. Compound prepositions are single prepositions that are more than one word. Examples are they won the contest because of Mary's flattering voice. According to Rondo, the game will be over soon. The prepositions in these examples are because of and according to. Prepositions and adverbs. There are some words that can be used as either prepositions or adverbs. You must remember that prepositions are placed at the front of a phrase. Examples are my class walked around the circle. Walked around the circle is a prepositional phrase. The boys jumped around. Around is an adverb because it is not followed by a clause.